Pyjama drama is lots of fun. Pyjama dramas for everyone. We love to sing and we love to play. Drama is for every day. Drama is for every day.
So it's every day. So drama is for every day. So I thought you should have a few videos that help you guys do lots and lots and lots of drama things. I know that you're already brilliant, but I think you can be even more brilliant, just like Olaf in his cool t-shirt. Very, very well. I think we should have a quick go over how we do character voices, because we're only ourselves, right? So we can't be different people, can we? Of course we can. We can go anywhere and we can be anyone, just using our imaginations. So I'm going to give you a little story, and I want you guys to use that story for the rest of your day. See if you can create something really magical. We are going to go to the kingdom. Where are we going to go? To the kingdom. That's right, we're going to go to the kingdom, and we're going to meet a few people. The first person we're going to meet is the king. The king has got a very deep voice, and he talks from down here in his belly. You don't have to put your hands there. The idea is that your hands tell your brain that that is where you're speaking from. We don't need to use our vocal cords, oh no, 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 because we can damage them. We use the air in our body and the different parts of where we talk from. So our king would talk like this. Hello, I am the king. Yes, I am the king. I'm a little bit older than most, so I talk a bit deeper. There's also the queen. The queen talks high up here. Hi, my name is the queen, and I am very, very lovely. Thank you. I'm a wonderful queenie. We've also got a prince, and our prince talks from down here, and he's quite young and quite cool, like me. I know, adults, I know. He talks from this part of his body. So imagine when you speak from here, like this. Hi everyone, yeah, cool, yeah, nice one. I'm the prince. I am the best prince in the whole kingdom on account of the fact I'm the only prince. I know. There's also, of course, up here, our princess. She's a little bit younger than the prince and not so ego-driven either. She talks like this. Hi everybody, I am the princess and I just love everything about everything. Like a good princess should. We've also got nasty characters, like the witch. And the witch talks from this part of her nose right here. So we put our fingers there and imagine we're talking through this part like this. Hello everybody, I'm the witch. Witches are horrible. There's also the trolls, ogres as well. Where do you think they might speak from? Good point. Down here in our bellies. So let's place our hands there. You might be like this. Get out of my swamp. Can you do a Shrek impression? I love you, donkey. I love you, donkey. Get out of my swamp. Not bad at all. And I want you to use all of those characters to tell a fabulous fairy tale kingdom story, being different characters throughout. Let your mums and dads and grown-ups watch it. I bet they'll give you a big round of applause at the end. See you all soon, guys. Take care. Bye!